Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get high-quality stock footage. First, understand what defines high quality. This typically means footage with sharp focus, excellent lighting, and a resolution of at least 4,000 pixels horizontally. Look for stable camera work, minimal digital noise, and a clean aesthetic. Professional stock footage should be free of watermarks and distracting branding, ensuring a polished final product for your projects. Next, let's explore where to find this premium content. Reputable platforms like Getty Images, Shutterstock, and Adobe Stock are excellent starting points, offering vast libraries. For very specific or historical needs, specialized archives can be invaluable. You might also find independent filmmakers who license their work directly. While free platforms exist, always scrutinize the quality carefully, as it can be inconsistent. Once you've found potential footage, it's crucial to evaluate and license it correctly. Always preview the clips thoroughly, checking for any technical flaws or inconsistencies. Carefully review the licensing agreement to ensure it covers your specific intended use, whether commercial or editorial. Understand any restrictions on usage. Remember, investing in higher quality footage and the correct license is essential for professional results and avoiding future legal issues. Finally, effectively integrating your high-quality stock footage is key. Match the footage aesthetic, color grading, and frame rate to your existing project for a seamless look. Edit clips smoothly to maintain a consistent visual flow and avoid jarring transitions. Use the footage to genuinely enhance your narrative, adding value rather than just filling time. Also, ensure the audio quality is consistent, or replace it with your own sound design for a polished final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.